Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Sekinah Tsuba, and if this is your first time stopping by, if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're most definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to repair damaged or bleached skin to get a more radiant and healthy glow. Okay, so today's video, I'm just going to jump right into the video. You see, bleaching is now like a norm in like the African, like in Africa basically. Like there's this stereotype, like in I don't know, but there's stereotype that light-skinned women are more attractive than dark-skinned ladies, but which I really disagree. I see a lot of dark melanin queen and I am absolutely in love with their skin. I have friends that are really dark skin and they are gorgeous. Like the first thing is, you barely see a dark-skinned person to have an acne-prone skin. That is something that I've noticed. Acne is usually prone to light skin because I don't know, but you see a dark-skinned person, they barely break out. Like it's like 5% of dark skin like people that actually have like acne prone. Most of them are always flawless and glowing. So I don't know why a lot of us like change our skin. Everybody has been there at one point or another, either deliberate or not, either intentionally or unintentionally. All of us have tried to look fairer than our skin tone. So the first thing I'm going to say on this issue is a piece of advice. Bleaching the skin is not something that just happened over the night. Some people have been bleaching their skin for 2 years. Some people have been bleaching their skin for 5 years. Some 6 months, some 3 months. Just know, the longer it is that you have been trying to bleach that skin or be bleaching that skin, that is how long. That is like, it might not be that long, but just have it at the back of your mind that that is how long it is going to take for the repair to happen. You can't expect that you have been bleaching your skin for the past 5 years and you want to repair it within 1 week. It is not possible. You want to repair a 5 years bleached skin in 7 days. When is not magic? So that's the first thing I need you guys to have at the back of your mind. If you're watching me right now and you have a bleached skin, don't think there's one miracle doctor right here or there's somebody that will come and tell you, oh, use this and use that and your skin will go back to normal in 7 days. No. Just have that back of your mind. The longer it is that you've been trying to bleach that skin or that you've been bleaching that skin, that is like how long it will take for the skin to be fully recovered after that. Now let's jump right to the things you need to do to repair that damaged skin. So first thing you need to do is throw away that bleaching cream, throw away all that stuff that you've been using. Throw everything away. Like as you're watching me right now, pause this video, pack everything, everything that you've been using to bleach your skin, all those skin lightening cream, all those skin bleaching cream, pack everything right now and go and don't throw it inside dustbin, because if you throw it inside dustbin, somebody else can take it and start using. Go and flush it in your WC right now. Pour it inside your WC or your sink and flush it out completely. Take the container, even scrape the container, rinse it and throw it out. Because apart from the fact that if you throw it in the dustbin, somebody else might take it. If you just leave it there, you might be tempted to go back to it. So right now, pause this video, go and flush everything in the toilet right now. Now the second thing is, a lot of people that bleach use all this tube stuff. Tubes and steroids. Guys, I've been there. There's a point in my life that I was using a lot of tubes. In fact, that was the time that I realized that my skin was damaged and I need to really take care of my skin. That was when I started the skincare journey and I started sharing with you guys on YouTube. You need, like, I haven't used a tube, like all these tube creams in a long time. Like anything that says all this lightening, brightening, whitening, some of this my lightening black soap and all that, like anything that says lightening, brightening, whitening, you want to stop using it. All these hydrocortisone creams, hydrocortisone soaps, you want to stop using them. Like stop completely, get it off your mind. Now you want to start using neutral moisturizers. You want to be using shea butter, you want to be using Vaseline, grapeseed oil, lavender oil. You want to start using coconut oil if it works well with your skin. Personally, coconut oil doesn't work well with my skin. I said in my last video, know your skin type, study your skin texture as well. Rosehip oil is amazing. Argan oil, almond oil. You see all these organic natural oils, not oils, you want to start using them. You want to stop anything that caters to lightening brightening or whitening, you want to stop using it. So know the things that work for you now. You want to start using neutral based moisturizers. If your face is very fair than your body, you want to avoid any acid on your face. You want to also avoid toners. Like, you know, I say a lot of like salicylic acid toners, glycolic acid toner are very good on the skin. They are very amazing ingredients. But at this point right now, your face is damaged, your skin is damaged. You want to stop, you want to avoid any acid. Whether it is a good acid, whether it's a bad acid, you want to stop using it. You see all these toners, all these Skin Doctor, all these Neutrogenas, all these dates, like you want to stop using all that. Now at this point, you want to start using something mild like glycerin or rose water. For example of the one I've been using recently and I absolutely love it, it is the it's glycerin and rose water. You don't have to get the exact brand that I'm using, you can use any brand, but this is glycerin and rose water. It doesn't do much to your skin, it just gives you that natural glow and it removes extra dirt and germs from your skin. So this is the kind of thing you want to be using. You can also buy ordinary rose water, it's cool, but at this point you want to stop using any form of cleanser at all. Now girls, at this point you want to avoid all these Instagram organic vendors. Like, I know some of you are like, you like to go on to all those, you know, all these people, I don't want to mention names, you like to go to their pages and go and be capturing stuff. They will not be doing sales back to back for you. You should be thinking you are buying things for cheap, you are damaging your skin. Now this is the time you need to avoid Instagram organic skincare vendors. Most of them say they are organic, but most of them are just mixing chemicals for you all. Like, you just need to take a break. You need to save your money. Put your money in your pocket right now. Don't go to that Instagram vendors page. Like, my skin was damaged via, like, that year that was even my first time purchasing an organic product on Instagram, and it damaged my skin completely. Like, that was a turning point for me to start working on my skin to get a better skin. That was my turning point. Instagram skincare vendors are quacks, most of them. There are a lot of trusted ones, there are a lot of vendors that are amazing and have amazing products, but a lot of them are quacks. Now for your face, you want to start using vitamin C serum for your face. You want to use turmeric and honey mask. You want to do it at least three times in a week. You know, turmeric, honey, and mix it together and use that face mask. Please never use lemon. Okay, never use lemon. You want to use rosehip oil. It also helps to like bring back moisture. All those oils that I listed before: argan oil, almond oil, shea butter. You know, all these natural butters and oils. That's what you want to start using on your skin. You want to stop using any acid or any toners, and of course avoid Instagram vendors. To start eating a lot of fruit and a lot of veggies at this point, okay? A lot of healthy food and veggies. And also you want to start using multivitamins like vitamin E and vitamin C. You want to start taking daily doses of multivitamins in your body, like, because you've damaged your skin so much that you need to start repairing it from inside, from the inner tissues, from the first layer of your skin. You want to start repairing it from the first layer all the way out. So you need to start using vitamins that actually cater to skin. Okay, personally I use vitamin E and I also use vitamin C, so you want to incorporate that into your diet. And also, like I said, at this point you want to start eating fruit and veggies, and you want to start avoiding any refined sugar or processed food. You want to stop eating refined sugars and processed food, and trust me, you're going to see a lot of changes in your skin. I know when a lot of people you see all the skincare vendors on Instagram, they will tell you, oh, if you have a bleached skin, come and buy this to repair your skin. You cannot use fire to kill fire now. You cannot carry petrol and pour it inside fire and expect the fire to be quenched. You need to like curb it in a way that is reasonable. I know you go to stores and everything, you see repair oil, skin repair oil, and you think, oh, if I buy this skin repair oil, it's going to repair my bleached skin. Trust me, it's going to damage your skin more, because as if you are pouring chemical upon chemical upon chemical upon chemical. So when you want to repair a damaged skin, you actually want to go organic, you want to go natural with it. You don't want to add anything chemical to repair something that is damaged by chemical. Okay, you don't want to do that. And yeah, you might go like very dark. You might like, your skin might go really dark and really like, no, you won't really like what your skin looks like. But trust me, if you can go through it, let your skin go back to normal, then you can now start using more healthy products to get a more healthier and healthier skin. Okay, you can now start, you know, you want to start afresh, just like you're starting afresh. But this time you are catering for a healthy skin and not a bit bleached skin. After you've gone through this whole process, stop using all these things, start using more neutral stuff: shea butter, rosehip oil, lavender oil, argan oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, all this stuff. When you start using them, and then your skin go back to its natural state. And now when you want to start building up your skincare routine, you start building a healthy skincare routine for your skin to glow and to give you that healthy glow. You want to cater for a really nice and luxurious skin. You don't want to cater for a bleached skin. The last thing I'm going to say, last but not least, is make sure to wear sunscreen. Always make sure to wear sunscreen. It's very important. You need to invest in a very good sunscreen. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you will learn a thing or two. And I hope if you have this problem, you would take my advice and you would try to do these things that I've listed, and trust me, you are going to get good results. Just believe. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.